What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It helps our content reach a wider audience and we appreciate the support. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing Boom. Now, Boom has two different products that are geared towards the rental market. So if you rent an apartment, a townhouse, a house, or if you're a landlord that has property that you rent out. So the first product is called Boom Report. Now, this is a way for you to report your monthly rental payments. Now, I think this is a game changer because renters are 7 times less likely to have a credit history. And unlike homeowners, renters generally don't get the benefit of having their monthly rental payments reported and helping them to build credit. In addition, there are some mortgage lenders now that are evaluating your rental payment history in order to qualify you for a mortgage. So I think this is a great opportunity to not only build credit, but also put you in a position to potentially purchase a home because you're getting your monthly rental payments reported to all 3 credit reporting agencies. Now, there are some other companies out there. We've reviewed a couple of them, including Rental Karma as well as Rent Reporters, which offers a similar service, but I'm gonna explain to you exactly why Boom is a little bit different. So with Boom, there's absolutely no hard credit check or soft credit check. Now, when you sign up to Boom Report, you're gonna be plugging into your checking account. So they use the Plaid API. We've talked about this plenty of times on the channel. And what Plaid is actually doing is analyzing your banking activity, and they're able to identify your rental payments coming from your checking account to whoever your landlord is. So it can go back and figure out all that data and give you credit for those on-time payments, and they'll report up to 24 months of past rental payments. So this is a great opportunity for you to be able to build your credit. Now, one of the major difference between Boom Report and Rent Reporters is that Boom Report is going to be much cheaper, and they're reporting to all 3 credit reporting agencies. Rent Reporters, I believe, only reports to 2 bureaus, whereas Boom Report is going to report to all 3: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Another major difference between Boom Report and Rent Reporters is that with Boom Report, there's no involvement from the landlord. Now, if you go through Rent Reporters or Rental Karma, the landlord actually has to have some involvement when it comes to getting those payments reported. And this sometimes can create an administrative burden on the landlord, and sometimes they may be unwilling to participate in these types of programs. But with Boom Report, there's absolutely no involvement from the landlord. All you have to do is plug in through your bank account. It can analyze when you paid your bills up to 24 months past. You'll also need to upload a rental agreement. With those 2 data points, they're able to backdate your rental payment history up to 24 months. Now, the other product that Boom offers is called Boom Split. Now, think of this as like a Klarna or Afterpay, where you can have the payments broken up into installments. So let's say, for example, your rent is due on the 1st. Boom will pay your rent in full to your landlord, and then you would have to pay half of the rent by the 10th, and then you get another 2 weeks to pay off the rest. So it's just a way for you to avoid having late payments on your rent. And for landlords, it ensures that you're getting paid in a timely manner. Now, for renters, it gives you the ability to spread your rent out over the course of the month. So you're going to be paying your rent off in 2 payments, but you don't have to come up with that payment on the 1st. Now, another great thing about Boom Split is that it also reports to the credit reporting agencies. So this is another way for you to build credit through Boom, either through Boom Report or through Boom Split. Boom Split would be treated as a loan because they actually are extending a loan to you. They're going to be paying your rent up front to your landlord and essentially billing you for it later. For landlords, it takes the stress out of having to collect rental payments from your tenants if they're paying late. With Boom Split, you're going to be paid up front. Boom will then handle collecting payments from the renter. Anyways, let's jump over to their website and I'm gonna walk you through the process. All right, so here we are on the Boom website. Now, Boom allows you to build credit with your rent payments. So report your rent payments for just $2 per month. Boom reports to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and you can report your ongoing payments in up to 24 months of prior payments, and this will have an impact on your credit score. So Boom reports to all 3 major credit reporting agencies, TransUnion, Equifax, as well as Experian. Now, how it works, it takes only about 5 minutes to enroll. So when you enroll, as I mentioned, Boom will be looking into your banking activity to see when you're actually making your on-time payments, and it can go far back as 24 months. Now, one of the objectives of Boom is to help you establish credit, because this will then help you get approved for credit cards, personal loans, car loans, rental screenings, as well as mortgages. So a higher credit score can be the difference between whether you're a homeowner or whether you just continue to rent. Now, the pricing structure is very straightforward. So you can pay as little as $2 per month when you subscribe for a year, or $3 per month on a monthly basis. You could cancel it at any time. Now, another benefit, there's absolutely no involvement from the landlord. So you don't have to contact your landlord to assist with the reporting of your past rental payments or your current rental payments. And then there's no hard pull or soft pull. So enrolling will never pull your credit, so it will not impact your credit negatively. Now, in order to get your past rental payments, it is a one-time $25 fee. So when you pay that $25 fee, they can report up to 24 months of past rental history. Now, this is like having an aged trade line because it's backdating it to when your lease began. Now, to have your ongoing rental payments reported to credit reporting agencies, it's just $2 if you subscribe for a year, or $3 on a monthly basis. So this is allowing you to build credit at a very, very low cost. Now, typically, Boom Report customers can see an increase of anywhere from 5 to 100 points. Now, this is all going to vary depending on your different credit factors. Now, what do you need in order to qualify? So all you're going to need, number one, is a valid rental agreement within the past 24 months. You're going to need a valid social security number and a bank account that you use or have used to pay your rent payments, which they can connect through using the Plaid API. Now, how fast will you see an impact on your credit score? Now, approximately 10 days from when your rental data is submitted to the credit reporting agencies. Once you complete your Boom Report enrollment, your information will be verified within 48 hours if everything is in place. After that, they'll send your rental data to the credit bureaus on an ongoing basis, and you'll see your credit report change within 10 days of your data being submitted to the credit bureaus. And there's absolutely no landlord interaction. This is one of the things I mentioned with like Rental Karma or Rent Reporters, where your landlord does have to participate, and the process only takes 5 minutes. All you got to do is enter your email right there and then hit Boost My Credit Score, and it'll walk you through the entire process. All right, so now let's go over Boom Split. So with Boom Split, Boom pays a renter's payment in full each month, and then they pay Boom in installments. So Boom pays the renter's payment in full each month, and then you just have 2 installments. Now here are the benefits. So for landlords, you're going to get more on-time payments because you're going to be getting paid from Boom. So this is going to decrease the collection cost. And then for renters, you're not going to have to worry about a late fee from your landlord. It will help you budget better and less stress because you don't have to come up with that payment on the first of the month. It's going to help you with building credit, and there's absolutely no credit check. So this has a lot of benefits. So how Boom Split works, the renter applies for Boom Split by connecting their bank account and landlord portal. Boom gives you a decision within 24 hours. All right, so let's recap Boom. So Boom offers 2 different products, particularly geared towards the rental market. So Boom Report helps renters add a trade line to their credit report. So this can backdate your rental payment history up to 24 months. And if you want your ongoing rental payment reported to all 3 credit reporting agencies, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you can get it for as low as $2 per month. All they're basically doing is asking you to upload the latest rental agreement. So the backdated history will begin based off of your rental agreement up to 24 months. You'll also plug into your bank account that's used to make your monthly rental payment. So using the Plaid API, they're able to see when you're actually making your rental payments. There's absolutely no hard credit check or soft credit check, so there's no impact to your credit score. Now, when looking at Boom Report compared to some of the other companies out there, they're able to report these payments at a very low cost of only $2 per month. Aside from Boom Report, they also have Boom Split, where you're essentially breaking up your monthly rental payment into 2 installment payments. Also, for landlords, you get paid up front, and Boom is going to be collecting the rent payments from the renter. So this reduces the hassle of having to collect rent payments. If anyone's interested in Boom Report or Boom Split, I've dropped links in the description of the video. That's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.